In the previous video, I showed how to replace the sky in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll look at a more advanced approach that also works in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Add the main video and a sky image to the timeline. Combine them into a fusion composition and switch to fusion. Remove any unnecessary nodes. Connect the tracker, Luma keyer, and merge nodes in sequence to the main video. To make the sky move in sync with the camera, find a high contrast point and start tracking. Add a transform node to the sky image. Right-click the center parameter and choose Connect to Tracker, Unsteady Position. Add another transform node. Adjust the size and position of the sky, and connect it to merge. Swap the inputs of the merge node and connect it to media out. To prevent the Luma keyer from selecting unwanted areas, add a polygon node. Mask the lower part of the frame. Connect the polygon to the blue input of the Luma keyer and enable invert. Go to the Luma keyer, set the viewer to alpha, and adjust the transparency so the sky appears black. Add a color corrector node after the Luma keyer and fine-tune the colors.